There is a language older than words, a language carved into stone, whispered in secret, and encoded in the very fabric of existence. A language of symbols. Throughout history, mystics, magicians, and visionaries have used these symbols, charged with intent, woven with will, to reshape reality itself. This is the art of sigil magic. From the Ankh of ancient Egypt to the runes of the Norse, from the Ephesian letters to the sigils of medieval sorcery, symbols have been more than mere markings. They have been keys, unlocking doors to hidden knowledge, influence, and transformation. And here's the secret. This power is not lost. It is waiting for those who seek to harness it. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of sigils, tracing their origins through time, decoding their deeper meaning, and most importantly, showing you how to create and activate your own sigils to manifest your desires. Are you ready to step beyond the veil? Then let's begin. To understand sigils, we must travel back through time, to a world where symbols were more than just representations. They were power. The earliest shamans knew this. They carved images onto cave walls, believing that by capturing the essence of an animal, they could control the hunt. In ancient Egypt, the hieroglyphs weren't just letters, they were hika, words of magic. The priests of Thoth inscribed sacred symbols on temple walls and amulets, believing they could channel divine energy into the physical world. In Greece and Rome, mystery schools encoded powerful symbols into their sacred teachings, while in the Nordic lands, the runes were more than an alphabet. They were spells. Each rune carried a vibration, a force that could shape fate itself. But it was in the medieval and Renaissance periods that the word sigil took on its modern meaning. In grimoires like the Key of Solomon and the Ars Goetia, sigils were used to summon and command spirits. These weren't just random designs, they were meticulously crafted using sacred geometry and numerology to align with unseen forces. Yet, as time passed, the understanding of sigils evolved. In the 20th century, occultist Austin Osman Spare revolutionized sigil magic. He stripped away the ceremonial complexity and revealed a deeper truth. A sigil is a direct link between the conscious and subconscious mind. His method was simple but profound. Turn a desire into a symbol, charge it with energy, and implant it deep within the subconscious, where it begins to shape reality. This idea became a cornerstone of chaos magic, a system that treats sigils not as mystical commands to spirits, but as tools for rewiring the mind and bending reality through focused intent. So, do sigils work purely as a psychological hack, or do they tap into a hidden force woven into the structure of existence? Whatever you believe, one thing is certain: sigils are one of the most powerful tools for manifestation. But how do they actually work? And more importantly, how can you use them? Let's break it down. At their core, sigils operate on a simple yet profound principle. Symbols bypass the conscious mind and embed themselves deep into the subconscious. Why is this important? Because your subconscious mind is the true architect of your reality. It controls your thoughts, your behaviors, your habits, even the way you perceive the world. Think about it. Corporations and advertisers already use sigil magic. Logos, brand symbols, hidden messages. These are modern sigils designed to sink into your subconscious and influence your actions without you even realizing it. Sigils work the same way, but instead of allowing external forces to program your mind, you take control. Here's how it works. Encoding a desire into symbolism. Instead of stating a wish like, "I want success," you encode that desire into a symbol, one that speaks directly to your subconscious, bypassing the logical mind. If you consciously think, "I want success," your rational mind might resist. What if I fail? I've never been successful before. A sigil bypasses this resistance. The conscious mind cannot argue with a shape. The message slips into the subconscious like a seed planted beneath the soil, charging and releasing the sigil. The final step is to charge the sigil with emotion, energy, and intent, then release it. Let go. Forget about it. This allows the subconscious to work its magic without interference. This process isn't just psychological, It mirrors the very act of creation itself. Thought becomes form, form becomes reality, and now it's time to create your own. Creating a sigil is both an art and a science. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Define your intention. Your statement of intent should be clear, positive, and present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." Step 2. Remove repeating letters. Strip the phrase down to its raw components. For example, let's take "I am confident in all situations." Remove duplicate letters, IAMCONFTLSU. Step 3. Create the symbol. Now, turn these remaining letters into a unique design. Overlap them, rearrange them, abstract them into a powerful symbol. The goal is to make the sigil unrecognizable as ordinary letters, so the conscious mind cannot read it, allowing it to sink deep in the subconscious. Step 4. Charge the sigil. Now, activate it. You can meditate on it, visualizing your desire as already real. Enter an intense emotional state, excitement, joy, even frenzy, while focusing on the sigil. Use fire, water, earth, or air to charge and release it. Sexual energy, a powerful, ancient method where the sigil is focused on at the peak moment of energy. Step 5. Release and forget. Once the sigil is charged, let it go. Forget it. Obsessing over the outcome creates resistance. By releasing it, you allow it to work in the background like a program running silently, reshaping reality. Sigils can be used for self-improvement, confidence, focus, creativity, discipline. Prosperity and abundance, attract success, financial opportunities. Protection, place sigils on doors, phones, or even clothing. Health and vitality, infuse water. Sleep with a sigil under your pillow. Advanced techniques include sigil grids, combining multiple sigils for amplified power. Servitor sigils, creating a sigil that acts as an autonomous energy form. Dream sigils, charging a sigil before sleep for subconscious manifestation. Are sigils simply psychological tricks? Or do they reach beyond the mind, tapping into the hidden architecture of reality? Maybe symbols are more than just subconscious programming. Maybe they are living forces, shaping the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. But the only way to know is to try. Now the mystery is in your hands. What will you manifest?